Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This twin-cylinder sport bike with ABS brakes just arrived with only 1,500 miles. Beautiful metallic white paint scheme. Fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, 6-speed. This bike is easy to ride. It's got a nice low seat height. Beautiful sport bike styling, but with a comfortable riding position. Come by and make your twin-cylinder 650 dreams come true with this gorgeous Ninja 650 ABS. Price to sell at just $79.99. These things are hard to find. It's not going to be here long. Low mileage. We have financing, we have extended warranties. And check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.